Hello, my friends. This is Daniel from Visionary Teaching, career-long educator, lifelong learner. And I'm here today to talk to you about how to make some great individual whiteboards for your students using materials from around the house or around your office. So we all love using individual whiteboards with our students. They are so versatile. They allow the entire class to respond in unison at once, to get multiple opportunities to respond in a small window of time. They're great for virtual instruction, for face-to-face instruction. If you have a little money, you can go to the dollar store and buy some paddles like this. But I also realize we're teachers, we're not rich. The cost can add up after so many students. So again, here is how to create them out of things around your house or have students find them around their house. So first one of my absolute favorites, 3-ring binder. As long as it has the sheet protector page here, it is absolutely erasable. Everyone has these lying around the house. Alright, next one, same idea. Stick a piece of white paper or light color paper in a sheet protector. 100% erasable. I don't have it with me, but the same applies to laminating a piece of white paper or a piece of light cardstock. Now, one pro tip, if you use any of those, the binder, the lamination, the sheet protector, stay away from the red dry erase pen for whatever reason that will stain. Alright, here's another one of my absolute favorites. Do you have video game cases or Blu-ray cases lying around the house? Well, all you do is take that old Blu-ray case, stick a sheet of white paper in there, and it is absolutely a whiteboard and fully erasable for your students. I love that one. Okay. A couple more, maybe less conventional options. Handheld mirror, right? 2 + 2 = 4. Yes, not only did I get the answer right, it's fully erasable. You might not want to push your luck with mom or dad on that one, but it is an option nonetheless. So here's another great one that I just recently learned about. If you're like me, you probably have an attic that's full of lids that don't have bins or bins that don't have lids, right? Pull out these lids. If it's plastic, it is erasable. Very good. In the same vein, you can get some of those disposable plastic plates that you might use for a picnic or for tailgating. Those work just as well. Right, so these are the ideas. Everyone should have at least one of these things lying around the house. Make a scavenger hunt out of it. Have students go find some of these items. Get that entire class, whether it's virtual, face-to-face, interacting, using whiteboards. Be sure to subscribe here for more great teacher hacks, more great ideas, and if you would, visit visionaryteaching.com for blogs related to this topic and many more ways to engage classes full of diverse students. So have fun and happy teaching.